Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is your friend Shinobi, and in today's video we are taking a look at the Lenovo Chromebook Duet. Yes, I finally bought it, and yeah, this is a 2-in-1 device which comes with Chrome OS, and all of this is gonna be my first experience with a 2-in-1 device and also a device with Chrome OS built into it. And yeah, I'm really excited to unbox it and see what comes in the box, because this one is not the regular packaging. The one I have got here comes with the Lenovo USI stylus in the package, which is not the case with earlier packagings of the Chromebook Duet. So yeah, the one with the stylus is finally here in India, and I grabbed it for about 27,000 Indian rupees from Amazon. I will leave the link down in the description so that you can check it out. And yeah, with that said, let's get started with the unboxing. Now, first off, taking out the plastic wrap, as you can see, the box looks really nice. Lenovo packages are generally really good to look at, and this one also looks really nice. You see the Lenovo logo on top and Chromebook Duet and all that, the product name written on the side. Then you have a few specifications and other details at the back, and the MRP, if you notice, is around 40,000 Indian rupees, and as I mentioned that I got it for around 27,000, which is pretty nice. Now let's quickly cut the seals and then open up this box. Alright, so once we have opened up the box, the first thing on top is the Chromebook Duet and a tablet actually. So yeah, let's keep this aside and we'll check what else do we get inside the box. And underneath you get another box in which you will find the USI stylus, the back cover with the kickstand, and the keyboard. So these three things are inside this particular packaging. And we have another packaging, another box on the right side. So let's also take that out. Now inside this particular package we have the 10-watt charging brick, the USB-A to USB-C cable, and we have the USB-C to 3.5mm converter, because the Lenovo Chromebook Duet doesn't have a headphone jack. Now that's certainly sad. Alright, so that's everything that you get inside the package, and considering the price, this is a lot of things. Some other tablets in this particular price range don't even get anything other than the tablet and the charger, of course. Now let's quickly unwrap everything and then we'll take a look at the entire setup. Alright, so let's start with the tablet itself. So the Chromebook Duet looks really nice. It has a metal build for the most part, and the blue area that you're seeing is made out of plastic for network coverage, obviously, for the Wi-Fi antennas and stuff. And on the front you have a 10.1-inch IPS LCD display, which is full HD plus resolution, and it looks quite nice. Now on the right side of the tablet you get the power button, the volume rockers, the USB Type-C port, and a LED light to indicate charging. And on the top you get dual microphones and dual stereo speakers. That's pretty nice. And the left side is completely empty, and on the bottom you get the magnetic pins and the sockets to attach the keyboard. That's really nice. Now the back cover is quite good. It is made out of some kind of fabric material, and it also has the kickstand, which feels quite sturdy, and I believe it won't really fall down or anything. And yeah, you can lock it in different positions to like angle your tablet in different like angles, which is really nice. And yeah, it feels really good, and it attaches to the Chromebook Duet magnetically, and it snaps in place. The connection is not that strong, but yeah, it's quite good. And once it is attached, it won't certainly fall off until you nudge it, like really nudge it. Alright, now the next part is the keyboard. So this keyboard is like attached through the magnetic pins that you find on the bottom of the tablet, and the keyboard itself is really nice. It is also made out of plastic, but it feels really good, and the keys are quite good to type on. They have like good amount of travel, and they feel really nice to type on. The keys are big enough so that it doesn't feel that much cramped, but yeah, some of the keys are really small compared to other keyboards. But yeah, overall the keyboard feels really nice, and the trackpad is also pretty good. The trackpad works really well, and I haven't had any issues with the trackpad as of yet. Now the next and the final thing is the USI stylus that you get. This is a active USI stylus, and yeah, it runs on a AAA battery. So if you open it up, you will see that it has a AAA battery inside, and that's pretty nice. And once the AAA battery runs out, you can just replace it. So that's pretty good. And yeah, it works really well. There's like very low latency, I would say, and it is very like accurate, and it also has palm rejection, which is quite nice when taking notes or drawing on the tablet. And yeah, overall this entire package is an excellent deal if you are looking for a computer and a tablet hybrid, because most of the tablets that you get, may it be like iOS or Android, don't really work that well as a computer. But this can work as a full-fledged computer because it runs Chrome OS, which is like a desktop OS. And when you like attach the keyboard, it turns into the computer mode. When you detach the keyboard, it has kind of a tablet mode. And yeah, it works really well, and you can get like full desktop versions of all the Chrome apps and the Google apps like Docs, Drive, and Google Keep and all that. And yeah, that is really helpful, especially for me, because when I was using my iPad, like opening Google Docs, like none of the extensions were working, Grammarly and all that. Whatever extension I use with my like Chrome browser on my PC, all of those were not working. But on this one, the Chromebook Duet, everything is like ditto. It's similar to whatever I'm using on the computer. So yeah, it's pretty nice, and overall the experience is quite good as of now. The performance is also decent for regular jobs, and you also get to use Android apps in it, which is really nice. And there is a camera at the back, an 8 megapixel and a 2 megapixel camera at the front, which is fine, I would say, for a tablet. And yeah, overall I would say I'm really impressed with the device, with my initial usage that I have right now. And yeah, I'm gonna set it up completely and I'm gonna use it and maybe give you a full review after a few days or months. So yeah, stay tuned for that, subscribe to the channel for that. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. This was my unboxing and sort of a first impressions of the Lenovo Chromebook Duet. So if you liked it, then hit the like button, and yeah, do share it with anyone who is interested in this particular tablet. I have left the link in the description to buy it from Amazon, so you can check that out. It's an affiliate link. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I'm your friend Shinobi, and I'm signing out. Peace.